If you'd like to capture leads on your cleaning business's website with a chat widget, like I'll show you right here on the Limitless Carpet Cleaning website. So this chat widget that pops up right here in the bottom corner and says, hey there, need a cleaning quote? Text us here. And then it captures all your customers' contact information. I'll show you how to make one of those. They're really simple. So you go into your CRM, you go into the Sites tab over here, and then you click on Chat Widget. If there's not already a widget created inside of your account, then you'll go to SMS, email, chat. Select that one. And you'll see a little preview of your chat widget down here. You can modify it. You can change the way the icon looks. You can change the color of it, even do custom branding, right? If you want to modify every single color that's in there, you could do that. You can change the welcome message. So I like to say, hi there, need a cleaning quote? Click here. And then you can customize the widget even more. Like if you want to upload your own photo or your logo right here, you could do that. You could put in your name, for instance, Bill at ABC Cleaning. And then inside the chat window, you can modify all of this text over here if you want to. You might want to say, request a fast, free quote. And, fill out this quick form and we'll contact you back shortly. And then you can collect name, phone, email, I'd recommend. And actually, I'm going to turn off this message field because rather than just a message, what I want to get from them is what do you need cleaned? We've set up a custom value in the CRM for what do you need cleaned? And because it's a more specific question, right? It'll help you get more leads. And then here, if you want to change this, you can even change this to like get free quote. After they've requested a quote, you could change the way that you thank them, right? We'll contact you back shortly. You can just leave all that if you want to. You can name this widget something if you want to, and then save it. Click here to get the code. And then what you can do is you can take this code, copy it, and paste it into the body or the footer section of your website. If you're using like, Wix or Squarespace or WordPress or some other kind of website builder, then you can go copy and paste this code into the body or footer of your website. If you're using Google Tag Manager, you can click here and you can get the code to drop this into Google Tag Manager. And it's a really easy way to put this chat widget on your site. And then anytime you collect a lead from this chat widget, what's going to happen is your leads will get dropped here in the Opportunities tab. And it'll create a new contact for you as well. So you'll get a new lead. You should get notified when you get new leads. We have that set up in the automations. And then you'll also get a new opportunity and you'll have new people added to your contacts list right here. So if you have any questions, let us know. Support at BookCleaningJobs. Otherwise, good luck with the chat widget. Hope it helps you get more leads.